Meaning of gathers.
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 Gathers. The word gathers can have a few different meanings based on the context in which it is used. It can refer to the act of collecting things for people together in one place, as in she gathers her friends for a weekly book club meeting. It can also refer to the act of gradually increasing in quantity or intensity, as in the storm clouds gather on the horizon. Additionally, gathers can refer to the act of drawing material together into small folds or pleats, as in the seamstress gathers the fabric to create a ruffled effect on the dress.